Once you've finished your design for your signature, you're going to make sure you install it. You're going to make sure you install it to your Gmail or whatever mail you use. But then from there, in order to add it to KvCore, you're going to click on the HTML link. You're going to click the Here button and go to your KvCore page. You will see your name, the upper top right corner, and you're going to go to My Profile. From My Profile, you're going to edit your profile. You're going to scroll down to where your signature is. From there, you're going to click on this. You're going to erase all of the information that's there and paste the code that you were given for WiseStamp. Once you save it, you will see that your signature will be in place, and make sure that it's selected underneath to include this signature on all of outgoing mail. That way, all of your mail from KvCore will also be consistent with the same email signature that you're already using.